Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can start making money on social media. So you can, as you can see on the homepage here, this is Koji, by the way. I think most people probably know about it. I just discovered this 3 or 4 days ago, and I think there's great potential in it. And like I said, I might be late, but if you haven't heard of it, that's great. So as you see on the homepage, it states that you can start selling on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and more with a few taps of a button, right? And as you see, it's free. It's essentially a digital storefront that makes it easy to sell to your audience through social media. And so I see that the whole thing is selling digital downloads, but it can be more than that, and I'll show you just now. And if you got premium content, even better. And essentially, if people want to see your premium content, you can use Koji for them to pay to access that, right? And of course, whatever it is you create, you can sell it on social with your Koji. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in, and I think obviously if you have a large following, this is even better, because if you have a small following and you already have these links all over the place on all your social media platforms, that's great. But who's gonna get to see it, right? So I think that would mean that if you're going to use Koji, you're going to have to also just try to grow your following. And there are various ways to do that. If you want to, I'm not saying buy followers. What's going on here? But if you want to have somebody, hire a social media manager, you could do that, or you can just do it yourself, right? Unless you have the money, of course. I'm just quickly going to go back. I just want to see if I missed anything. Oh my, wrong window. I'm just trying to see what's going on here. All right, everything is in order. So this is getting started. I clicked on add another Koji so I can show you what they have, but this is another way to do it. As you can see on get started, this is what they have featured, and there's 100 more other templates, 100 plus other templates, right? So these 9 that we see here, as you can see, would be, you can sell digital products, ebooks, a course, you can lock links, and I'll look into that before I talk about something I'm not sure about, but it does explain how, and it's really great. I've already set up. I haven't really used it to its full advantage, or to its fullest potential. But there's really, I think it's really a great tool for anyone who's trying to monetize their social media, right? Even with the following that's not that large. But anyway, going on, you can sell downloadables. Some of these are quite not too sure why they're gonna have 3 different ones when it's almost the same thing, right? Digital products, ebooks, downloadables are kind of the same thing, but maybe because these were developed by different people, etc. Logged videos, so that would be videos that, I guess, premium content. Locked photos, same thing, premium photos, and I guess these would be premium links, essentially. Locked audio, that would be premium audio. So if you want people to I don't know, listen to exclusive music or an exclusive version of an exclusive remix or a version of one song that is popular, you could use this. So essentially everybody would have access to the song that is out already, but this link here would give people access to a different version, maybe an extended version, a remix package, etc. And you can sell workouts. So most of these are actually quite exciting and interesting. I'm gonna, not to talk about myself much, but before I open the other templates, I'm just gonna touch on these 9 and how, how I plan on using them, essentially. So this is one I would use, selling a workout, but obviously you have to make sure you've got high quality videos, etc. Courses, I just don't have a course right now, but that is a great plugin. I mean, there are other tools to sell courses like system.io, etc. Or not really sell courses, but create courses like system.io, etc. Ebooks, definitely. I've actually got 2, but those were free ebooks, so I don't think I'm going to sell those. Digital products, there's a lot, but let's explore the other templates, and we're going to try quickly just go through, because there's a lot and we can't really go through each of them, but I just want to show you what you can do with Koji. These are featured by Koji, And I wonder why, really. I guess these are probably their favorites. In fact, I think these were developed by Koji themselves, and not other developers, because some of these are just developed by other individuals. AI link in bio. That to me isn't that interesting. You can really go check that one out yourself, because I have checked it out and I haven't like figured out a use for it. But this one here, come on, I think this is the main thing on Koji essentially, but there's way more. As I say, it's selling digital products, right? Yeah, and forgive me if I'm talking too fast. I just realized that was pretty quick. So you know, you can easily sell your digital products. You set the price, of course, 8% per transaction, and they'll pay seamlessly through your Koji. Let's quickly just view, let's preview this and see how it would look. So this would be your Koji, and if you go to configure, there's actually way more options within this specific template to pick from, right? Can I use this? There we go. So that would be, say, I don't know, maybe digital art or your book. I think this could be an LUT for Photoshop, etc. But you get the idea. And so, should I go to my Facebook to show you? Not necessarily. You guys get it. You can just add your Koji link to your social media profile. Tip jar, I suppose, if that's your thing. Not to be funny, but I don't know. You're clearly not making enough money if you want people to tip you, right? I'm just kidding. So same thing here. Set the price 8% per transaction. And let's just preview this quickly. And this is essentially just so your audience could, you know, thank you, I suppose. There you go. If you like to say thanks, and then they'd enter there and say how much they're gonna tip, right? So let's just go $5. They leave a note, etc. Then they send a tip to you, right? I think I might just use it. I could use some tips. Okay, so as you see, I think now that we've touched those three, you guys have an idea of what the other ones would look like, because it tells you what it does, and when you click on it, you get templates. When you configure, actually, so you get to preview what it looks like, and then you can, if you click on configure, you can then pick a template. So okay, we've touched on these three, on these 9. So that's selling anything, and this would be collecting donations. So you got the tip jar, gift me, fund my project, which is crowdfunding. The love jar, I'd say that's almost the same thing as the tip jar. And of course, they have a lot of these because it's different developers. But of course, but I suppose they did approve these. I don't think you can just develop something and leave it on the Koji site. And then, you know, custom engage with customers or audience. Well, custom engagement here. So people can send you personalized shout outs, but they pay for those. They can ask you anything, right? With this one here, and they pay to ask you that question. I believe. Yeah, haven't really viewed this one, but from my exploration of Koji, because I've read, and they've got a blog which is really great. In fact, if you're going to use Koji, you should check the blog out often, because they've got some very helpful articles. But so I think someone would submit a question, whatever, and then eventually they're gonna have to pay, I believe. Or these just, yeah, I could be, they have to. Let's see, is it exactly? So you set the price per question for whatever question they're gonna ask you, but this time it's 5% per transaction. So Koji does take a cut, of course, but it's really not that bad. Affiliate tools. So this is what I've used so far, and I use this one here, the first one, and I'll show you what that looks like as well. And this is owning your audience as well, so you can have them sign up to your email list and then send them emails regularly. Same thing here. This seems like you could use this for an offer, right? So they can sign up and get a free download, I believe. Giveaways as well, check-in rewards, additions, and I'm guessing this is if somebody wants to, I don't know, maybe you're looking for talent and you want them to pay to audition. And then community template. That's quite interesting. I want to look into this. I haven't really looked into this yet. Display content. So there's really a lot, as you can see, and more. Going back to the affiliate tools. I want to show you guys my affiliate page quickly. I hope I'm on it. Okay, no, let's just go back because I see I'm not on it. Wow, I was supposed to click on view dashboard. And just to add, I think Koji is pretty intuitive and easy to use, and it is robust. I mean, it doesn't lag. There aren't any issues with it. I'd really compare it to Shopify in a way, except Shopify can be a bit more intricate. But anyway, going back to these affiliate links, as I was saying, so this is my affiliate page, and this is the link I have up. Oh no, this isn't my affiliate page. I have to click on it so we can view it. Oh man. Wow, now it's working. Yeah, I suppose it's quite interesting to navigate, but you could get the hang of it. But anyway, so this is my affiliate link here, right? If you click on it, which is, I'd have to go back, but you guys saw that link I was supposed to copy. If you click on it, this is what appears. If you click on my affiliate link on my social media platform, this is what pops up. So, you know, it allows you to put a picture of the program you're promoting. So that's the link to my that's my affiliate link to get response. I think that's it as well. Same thing here, system.io, typeform, wordable, and I don't think there's a limit. I doubt there's a limit to how many links you can add. But yes, you'd copy that and paste it on your social media platforms. And you know, given that we saw just how many Kojis you can create, you actually have a profile as well. Let me show you that. So this would be your Koji profile, and within that Koji profile, you'd have more Kojis. So if you've built quite a bunch of Kojis, instead of using just an affiliate link, just like I have right now, and copying that onto instead of using your affiliate Koji and copying that onto your social media platforms, you'll use your Koji profile, which would have your links, etc. Essentially your Kojis, right? And that's about it, really. I think you guys see how powerful Koji can be, and yeah, I hope you guys can put it to good use, and I wish you all the best. And of course, I'll see you on the next one. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next ones. Peace.